Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the HP EliteBook X G2i 14 driver. So first open any browsers to Google search box to type like that, and after that you have to type mandatory this driver. Okay, and then this is first link support.hp.com, this official website. Okay, and just click on it. Okay, so this is your laptop again, you can see, and this is the model number. Okay, scroll down and select the operating system Windows 10, and then also select, and if you are using different versions it's okay, otherwise you can select only Windows 11, and after that click to submit. After that scroll down, and then you can see graphic card driver, you can say display graphic card driver. Okay, video driver controller, and then click to download. After that it will start downloading at 798 MB, so it depend about your internet speed. Okay, so wait few seconds, then I show you installations process. Then it is completed, then single click to open which you downloaded. After that you can see video driver and control panel also, then click to next, accept it, and then click to next. This is installation location, so by default do not change it, then click to next it. Now it is installing driver, graphic and all. Okay, so it will take some time, and it will complete it. After that it is completed, then need to restart your system, and then please check it guys. Thank you.